Guys, Grok Build is finally out for all Super Grok and X Premium users. And let me tell you, this thing is an absolute game changer. In this video, we are going to learn exactly how to set up Grok Build right on your PC and how you can create your own personalized, stunning website or landing page in just 5 to 10 minutes. I actually used it to create a perfect, fully mobile responsive landing page for my AI Biceps channel. And honestly, it looks incredible. All right, first up, you need to head over to the Grok website. If you have a Super Grok subscription, you will see a shiny new option called Grok Build right there on the screen and in your left sidebar. Go ahead and click it. Now, it's going to give you two separate command lines, one for Mac users and one for Windows. Since I'm a Windows guy, I'm heading straight for the PowerShell section. I'll just copy this line of code. Next, do the classic shortcut, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type in PowerShell and hit OK. Boom, your command prompt terminal is open. Now, just paste that code you copied from Grok, smash that enter key, and let it start downloading Grok Build directly onto your computer. Once it's downloaded, technically you could just type Grok to start it up. But wait, let's do this the smart way so your computer doesn't become a cluttered mass of random files. We want to be organized, right? We are going to use two very basic command lines. First, type mkdir AI Biceps website and hit enter. mkdir basically stands for make directory. It just creates a brand new empty folder on your PC named whatever you want. Next, you need to step inside that folder so your files actually save there. To do that, type cd AI Biceps website. CD means go inside that folder, so Grok Build works inside this project. Make sure you type your file name in small letters and use hyphens instead of spaces. Now that we are safely inside our new folder, type the magic word Grok and hit enter. Watch what happens. It automatically opens up your web browser. The browser is going to ask you for identity verification. Don't freak out. Remember, Grok Build is an autonomous AI agent. It needs your permission to read emails, write code, and do all that cool automation stuff in the background. Scroll down to bottom and click Allow. Now, fair warning, you might see a weird error message that says could not establish connection code. Do not panic. This is completely normal for a new beta tool. If it glitches out, just close the browser, go back to your PowerShell terminal, type Grok, and hit enter again. Hit allow a second time, and boom, connected successfully. From now on, anytime you want to build a site, just open PowerShell, type Grok, and you're in business. All right, let's build a website. Now, you can type your prompt in broken English, and Grok will still understand it because it uses the powerful Grok 4.3 model under the hood. But pro tip, I went to standard Grok earlier, listed out all my channel requirements, and told it to write me a highly detailed prompt for a landing page. I copied that master prompt, pasted it into the Grok Build prompt box, and hit enter. It starts analyzing the requirements and mapping out the code. It will ask you for approval to start making changes. Just type yes or click proceed. And here's the website it generated. Okay, it's nice, but let's be real, it's definitely not what I actually wanted. It's a bit generic. But that is the beauty of Grok Build. You don't have to get it perfect on the first try. We can easily modify and fix this live. To make this truly look like my brand, I need to give it a visual reference. So I literally just grab my channel logo image file from my desktop, drag it, and drop it straight into the Grok Build prompt box. Then I grab my channel banner image and drop that in there too. Next, I paste my YouTube channel URL and type, these are my brand colors, theme, and logo. I mostly share AI-related news and tutorials here. Please redesign the landing page with an attractive theme that matches this vibe, and also add some of my actual videos with descriptions to make it look premium. I hit enter, and let's see what it cooks this time. Wow, it actually managed to replicate my dark blue glowing color theme. But hold on, we still have a few glaring issues. The text in the header is overlapping the background, and my featured videos are completely broken and not embedding properly. We need to clean this up. I go right back to the chat box and type, remove all that repeated background text and make the hero section look clean and premium. Also, in the featured content section, properly embed these specific videos. And then I paste my actual YouTube video URLs one by one. I also add use Grok Imagine to generate some cool, high-quality images related to the AI niche and scatter them across the page to make it feel super professional. I hit enter, it starts reanalyzing the code, swapping out elements, and updating the local files in real time. Let's see what it looks like now. Oh man, this is getting so much closer to my actual vision. The overlapping text is gone, the theme is clean, but the page still feels a little bit small and basic. It needs that final executive polish. For the final touch, I type, the landing page still looks a bit too compact and simple. Make it more spaced out, polished, and add my Telegram and X links down in the footer section. I hit enter, and finally, guys, look at this. This is exactly what I wanted. It's clean, it's premium, the colors match my branding perfectly, and the social media links are locked into the footer. And the best part? It is fully mobile responsive. If you resize the window, everything shrinks down and perfectly scales for a smartphone screen. Now, keep in mind, this website is currently just running locally on my PC. It is not live on the internet for the world to see yet. But if this video gets a ton of love, likes, and comments, I'm going to make a follow-up video teaching you exactly how to take your Grok Build creations and launch them live on the internet completely for free. You can find all the step-by-step installation notes, code snippets, and instructions down in the description box below to help you set this up on your own computer.